In this video, I'm sharing some lazy-friendly items that have greatly improved my happiness at home. Once you use them, you won't be able to live without them. I'm sure there's something here you'll need. So let's take a look. First is this handy little gadget, a multifunctional stainless steel rack. The material is very thick, and you can just pull out the 3 legs to place it in various large pots for steaming food. When folded, it can fit various small milk pans or saucepans. You can also open the bottom steaming rack to raise it up, allowing it to be used in deeper pots. It can also serve as a heat-resistant mat, and when not in use, it can be hung up for storage without taking up space. Lazy people must have this electric oscillating hairdryer stand in their bathroom. It fits any hairdryer, serving as both a storage solution and an automatic oscillating helper to dry your hair. With this, you no longer need to hold the hairdryer with one hand and comb through your hair with the other. You can leisurely scroll through short videos, and your hair will be dry in no time. It really boosts happiness. This is the seasoning machine I can't live without in my daily cooking. It comes with 4 bowls and 3 blades, meeting all my daily prep needs in one set. Using the glass bowl to mince meat, it gets it fine and even in just 3 or 4 seconds, which is much easier than chopping by hand. For garlic that is usually hard to peel, just switch to the garlic peeler attachment. It peels cleanly in a few seconds without leaving a garlic smell on your hands.
如果你跟我一样又懒又爱享受，那一定要看一下这个睡眠按摩枕，不用插电，一键就能享受按摩加热敷。4组按摩头搭配动态摇摆加揉机芯，和普通按摩枕感觉完全不同。它会先把紧绷的肌肉揉捏开，再摇摆放松整个肩颈，整个按摩手法就很像真人在用虎口给你抓揉，从斜方肌到颈椎都能覆盖。
Put the peeled garlic in the small ceramic bowl, and it's minced in seconds. With this, you don't have to worry about your hands burning when mincing chili peppers. My family loves hot pot and barbecue, so I switch to the dry ingredient blade to make dipping sauces. Freshly ground ingredients like peanuts are much more fragrant. Using separate bowls for different ingredients keeps them fresh and prevents flavor transfer. It's easy to clean with a quick rinse, and it's also dishwasher safe. It folds up into a small size, so it doesn't take up much space when stored. If you are like me, lazy but love to enjoy life, you must check out this sleep massage pillow. No need to plug it in. You can enjoy massage and heat therapy with one touch. The 4 sets of massage heads, combined with a dynamic swinging and kneading mechanism, feel completely different from ordinary massage pillows. It first kneads away tight muscles, then swings to relax the entire shoulder and neck area. The massage technique feels just like a real person using their hands to knead your muscles. It covers everything from the trapezius muscle to the cervical spine, and there are 4 modes to choose from freely. Every time I finish using it, the soreness and stiffness are gone. It's very comfortable and stress relieving. Besides being a massage pillow, if you flip it over, it's a very comfortable memory foam ergonomic pillow. It's comfortable whether you're lying on your back or your side. It's truly super practical. If you don't want to hand wash your underwear and socks every day, you must check out this underwear washing cup. It's compact and flexible, requiring no water pipes or complex installation.
就方便很多了，甚至它还能够擀饺子皮，它有送饺子模具，真的太好用了，清洗也方便，没有死角，一冲就干净了。 现在需要用到打印机的场景越来越多了，所以家里有一台好用的打印机还是很有必要的。我家这台高颜值又小巧，还超多功能，连接手机就能直接用，能打黑白，也能彩打，还能复印，也可以双面打，打印效果很好，很清晰，彩打的饱和度也非常好，打印照片都没问题。
It doesn't need to be plugged in, nor does it require any installation conditions. It has a dual-cylinder design. Just fill the clean water tank when using it. Then throw in the items you need to wash. Add detergent, and start it with one button. The power is very strong. By the time you finish your shower, it will have washed everything clean. It's better than hand washing and very satisfying for those with OCD. During the 10-minute washing process, it automatically rinses with water 3 times. By the end, you can see that it's clean with no soap residue left. Just take it out and hang it to dry after washing. It's practically tailor-made for lazy people. The latest superstar in my home is this automatic noodle machine. Unlike regular noodle machines that require you to knead the dough, this one does it itself. No need to worry about ratios. It comes with a measuring cup for foolproof operation. First add the flour, turn on the switch, then add water. You can have noodles in 3 minutes. The process is incredibly smooth, and it can make 13 different shapes of noodles. It's so easy to enjoy fresh, handmade style noodles at home. The resulting noodles are even chewier than hand-rolled ones. Besides making noodles, it has a separate dough kneading function, making it much more convenient to make buns, steamed bread, and pastries. It can even roll out dumpling wrappers, and it comes with a dumpling mold. It's just so useful.